guys, so this is the last video from Sri Lanka, and this might be all over the place as I couldn't take many footages because we were on this family trip where we went to the north part of the Sri Lanka and then the central part. So from Trincomalee, Nilaweli, and then to Dambulla and Kandy. So here's a little recap of that trip. As this was the last trip that we were gonna do, we decided to do it with our family members, and there were 16 of us. We hired a little rosé bus and went to the north part of the Sri Lanka, which for many of us was the first time. After spending 2 nights in the north, we slowly headed back to the Nuwara, which is in the central part of Sri Lanka. And on the way, we visited the Golden Temple in Dambulla, which was another first time.
Ada.
Halo. Dai bagi katti. Oh, udah mau kakak lagi. Wala. On the next day, we woke up in Nuwara, and the first thing on the list was to go see the New Zealand farm in Ambewela. And on the way, we stumbled upon these beautiful places where we stopped and took some photos. And the temperature change was really big and it was freezing cold, but we enjoyed every second of it. The next morning, after sending some postcards, we did a tea factory visit, as you should when you are in uphill countries, and it was also a first time for many of us. And for the remaining days that we had left in Sri Lanka, we just enjoyed the little things around the house, planted some trees, and enjoyed the time in the nature. This is all from Sri Lanka. I hope you enjoyed the vlogs, and if you did, as always, do subscribe, comment and like the video. And thank you so much for all the support, and I will see you soon.